Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Howard. I am the founder and CEO of U4Ea, and here's how U4Ea improves your day. Our thoughts shape our experiences, our health, and our reality. Every thought releases hormones into our bodies. Hormones from negative thoughts need to be flushed out by hormones from positive thoughts, or else inflammation occurs. Inflammation leads to pain. Continue to ignore the symptoms, and the next problems are chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. I set my intention for the day as I walk my dog, to boost my focus and self-expression for work and homeschooling my kids. I'll set another intention to wind down at the end of the day, and one more as I go to sleep to wake up feeling blissful and rejuvenated. U4Ea plays background tones, known as binaural beats, that blend into the background of your favorite songs, videos, and daily activities. Binaural beats are a natural phenomena that U4Ea mimics by playing slightly different sounds in each ear. U4Ea is mind, body, and soul technology. We've pre-programmed a binaural beat generator with over 3,000 positive states of mind that you can reach in 10 minutes or less. U4Ea is designed to stop stress in its tracks and foster stress-reducing habits. Choose how you want to feel, a personal attribute you'd like to boost, and your desired activity level. Get those headphones ready, press play, and go about your day. U4Ea has helped over 36,000 people around the world improve their experience and/or performance. These are some of their testimonials. Click the flow code below for your free iOS download. Namaste.